Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Today I wanted to do a little something different. We are starting February, which is the Heart Healthy Month, the physical health of your heart and what you can do as far as physically exercising and then also doing your diet and nutrition. And that's really great. And we should all be aware of that. And throughout the month, I will be doing some heart healthy recipes. But today I wanted to touch base on our emotional heart health. And I know everybody is probably having ups and downs during this last year with COVID and, having to readjust your life and your patterns and your routines. And so what I decided to do as of February 1st was I'm going to look at getting up and being the best I can be for myself and showing up and dressing up and taking care of my emotional heart health. And that's kind of the core of our soul. So just remember that it's important for you to show up for yourself as well. And if you stay sure, strong, and steady, get up, show up, dress up, then the rest of the day feels pretty good. So stay tuned this month for some physical heart healthy recipes for you to build on so that you can keep that heart strong. And just remember to stay sure, strong, and steady for your emotional heart because that's very important. Have a great day.